People are asking me about the memory. Does it lag? So right now we have 24 gigs. We're gonna play Battlefield. This is a 3080, and we're loading it up right now, and we're gonna see if there's any lag.
These look like dragon eggs, but they're actually speakers. They're Bluetooth speakers and also light. They're like tiki lights, all right? Now, they give you a couple options here, and I'm gonna show you every single option right here. And then they give you these hooks that actually tie into the actual system itself, or stakes. And I have one here, for example, with the stake on. Or if you want them like and pretty much put them anywhere, any direction you want. So they have you 3 different ways of hanging them or putting them on the ground. Now, these are Bluetooth and they're both going to sync up with the same unit, all right? So when you click on it once, they're both going to be identical, right? And now, you got the power option, lighting in the center, and then you got pause and play, and then you got positive and negative. Now in the center is the lighting show, right? So you don't even have to have these on Bluetooth. You just turn them on, if you guys can see, and there's different tones on it. Right now this is a flame, but if you want them, you could just have them still without moving, without the effect. And of course, turn them off. Now, to turn it on, it's going to turn on and it's going to change color. Now, when you're trying to sync up, it's going to be red and it has to turn blue. So we're going to turn it on right now. And if you guys can see, it's going to find my phone because I did sync it up to my phone. And automatically, it's labeled with it, along with this one too. So they both sync up and there you go. Automatically, it tells you that it's connected. And then to turn them off, you hit the button. And that's it. These are really loud. So if you have multiple of these units in your backyard, one push of a button could play them on. Now, the only thing you are going to be they're rechargeable. So you're going to have to charge them up here. There's a USB type C that's hitting with the silicone. Overall, they're great for parties, home use, your personal favorite things that you want to do, or your surround sound outside with your TV on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.